Today is a very special day. For many of us, including myself, this has long been a dream. I'm so excited and so humbled to be able to share the space here with you today and to celebrate.
We would have people that are from this area and also those that have travelled in looking for somewhere safe. Safe to be themselves, safe to, just engage on a daily basis and really live their best lives. So for us at Western Sydney University, I think on a day-to-day basis we need to keep that in the back of our heads as staff, as students and as a broader community.
Despite what some may say, this is not just a set of stairs. It is a powerful symbol of inclusivity, acceptance and the vibrant diversity that makes us stronger. To those in our rainbow community who may still feel unseen, I want to say this. Your journey matters. You matter. And this space, this university, and the people around you are here to stand by you and support you in every step of the way.
Symbols, they make a statement. They signify what our values are to the people who walk onto this land. This symbol stands for solidarity. It stands for solidarity as a community within the LGBT, but also for the allies we invite into these spaces.
This installation will be more than a symbol. It has to be a step forward in the profound recognition of our queer community and, of course, the reinforcement of our values and beliefs as a university. We have to celebrate diversity. We have to be a place of respect, of acceptance, of tolerance, of inclusion, because that place will be the place that unleashes the unlimited potential of every single person. Surely that is the job of a great university. I congratulate the people who've worked on this today, and I'm so proud that we're doing this.